Hello and welcome. This is Thomas Prendergast. I am the CEO of Markethive, and this is the Markethive Automated Tutorials introduction. They are designed to make your understanding and command of this platform rewarding, fun, and profitable. Each module within this course builds upon the previous course. Courses are delivered in the same order you would organically approach our inbound marketing platform. The first action after joining Markethive would be by beginning this course, the automated tutorial system. Then go directly to referrals. Pretty easy to figure this out. Next module is understanding the home page navigation. Then we take you into configuring, branding your profile page. Remember, as you progress, the Markethive system rewards you with Markethive coin and achievement scores in your Hive ranking, as well as accolade badges in your profile page. The progression is one step at a time, each step unlocking the next free marketing tool in the progression. Amazing state-of-the-art comprehensive inbound marketing tools such as available in Markethive do you little good if you do not understand how to use them and how to integrate them into a powerful inbound marketing campaign. Your first module regarding the referral section in the dashboard will quickly accelerate your goal of referring 3 people to your Markethive account to activate the system's faucet. Next is how to use the incredible power of the blog system, how it broadcasts to almost all social networks, and building massive SEO power. Then there is campaigns, a management system for building ad co-ops, sorting and rating your advertising, public relations, and marketing, third-party services, rotators, mini URLs, backlinking, tracking, keywords, etc. Next comes understanding the power of the Markethive autoresponders, setting them up, ranking them, broadcasting to your lead groups, and tracking previous mail-out campaigns. Following that is setting up groups. Their self-replication power with autoresponders, funnel pages, PDFs, and videos, ranking and rewarding your members. In preparation for the capture pages comes setting up your lead pages. Then comes learning how to build capture pages, the widgets, customized pages, unique domains, and learning to navigate the hundreds of page design options. Remember, each module you complete, another coin payment to your money clip is made, another accolade is added to your profile page, and another tool is activated and made available to you, as well as adding to your social ranking. Next comes your video platform setup. Then we finish up with a tour of your settings area and concluding with the social accounts, bounty program, and login configuration. Once completed, all tools of Markethive are available for you for free for life. Your status as a graduate of the tutorial system will be yours as well for life. You need a place to start. You wanted to know how to build an inbound marketing campaign. When you are graduated here, you will be a pro at this. Thank you.